Have you been doing these little things in SealM? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Blay and welcome back to my corner. Today, I'll be sharing with you these little things that you should be doing in SealM right now. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get updated on all things gaming related. Now let's get back to the video. In a game as massive as SealM, we sometimes forget or neglect some few features. These features might not be game-breaking, but may add up big if you do them daily. Here are 3 little things that you should be doing in SealM right now. Number 1, compliment. If you didn't know about this yet, you can give out compliments in the rankings. Go to the rankings tab. Here, you can see the compliment button on the right side. You are free to choose who and what you want to compliment. Compliments will give you 1 winter special coupon each. You can compliment 5 times a day, giving you 5 coupons. It might not be big, but 5 coupons just for complimenting is really a good deal. Number 2, couple activities. SealM has a couple system in the game. You have different quests to do daily, giving you roses for rewards. These roses can be used in the shop where you can purchase these items. It is advisable to have a couple in the game because you might be missing out on these rewards. There is also a mini game of matching tile pieces. Completing this will give you more roses, so try to do this every day. Number 3, combine. This is a feature that I really like in SealM. It combines your equipments with the same refinement level. Having 2 plus 1 will produce a plus 2 gear. 2 plus 2 gears will produce a plus 3 gear, and so on. I mainly use this in completing my collection. Since I farm daily, I combine the equipments that I farmed. This will greatly save the enhancement stone that you currently have. If you like to complete your collection like me, then this is very useful for you. Did you learn something new? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more gaming content. Hope to see you again here in my corner. Sayonara, goodbye, paalam!